Okay, this is a real simple, easy spaghetti with a parsley basil pesto. First thing, 1 cup of parsley leaves, 1 cup of basil leaves, 2 tablespoons of pine nuts, toasted, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, and then 2 tablespoons of either Parmesan cheese, Pecorino Romano cheese, whatever you like. And of course, salt and pepper. I will give a bit of a warning. Be careful on the salt a little bit because the Parmesan is pretty salty. And there you go. You see the 2 cloves of garlic. And then you want about a 1/4 cup of olive oil in there. Just to kind of get things going. Scrape it down with a spoon. And then my food processor has an attachment that allows oil to just kind of slowly be added to it while it's spinning. And then you just want to keep this on pulse or on until everything is blended together. All right. Oh, and also have a pot of salted boiling water to cook your pasta, because this dish literally takes 10 minutes start to finish. Okay, here's 12 ounces of thick and hearty bronze cut spaghetti that's been cooked. Like I said, always take a minute off of the al dente time on the package, because by the time you get done doing all this shit, you've had the extra minute and the pasta is ready to go. Now we're just going to get our lovely, lovely pesto out of the food processor bowl. And by the way, once you start making your own pestos, you will never buy the jarred shit again. This was rich, it was creamy, it was delicious. Basically superior to the jarred pesto sauce in every way possible. All right, and then take your tongs and give this a quick stir around till everything is evenly coated. Okay, and then add a serving to a bowl. And then, of course, this is optional, but I went with, of course, some freshly ground black pepper and some more freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And that's it. Spaghetti with a parsley basil pesto, done. And like I said, really delicious, really easy to do. The longest thing that this recipe has going for it is literally waiting for the goddamn water to boil for the pasta. All right, done.